I was just picking some elderberries. I found these gorgeous mushrooms right here next to this tree stump. Really educated on wild, mushrooms that are just growing. So I'm not gonna pick them, but I'm just showing you nature is amazing. It's just growing right here. And there are some more right here. It's amazing, isn't it? And then there's more growing just here. And I just love nature because it's always growing something for us. River is always flowing, sun is always shining. So we should never give up. We should always keep going as well. Have a beautiful day wherever you are. And just flow like the river.